back to Dark Nest Travels. Never in my life did I think at 46 years old I would be living with my parents. I am. In Florida, no doubt, and I'm driveway surfing, so technically I guess I had all of you fooled. We're not technically living with them, just kind of intruding on their driveway with the mothership. So, we are in a bit of a cold spell right now. Yes, it's going to be about 55 today. And believe it or not, after being down here for a few weeks and being used to that 70 and 80 degree warm up that they had, it does get a little nippy at night right now during their cold spell. So we are definitely enduring through that cold spell right now at night. It's dropped down as low as 40, I want to say. So I just wanted to give you guys an update, run my mouth a little bit. We've been in the motorhome now for 3 weeks. The mothership has housed us. We're comfortable. Coco and Walter have adapted. Maria's comfortable. I bought a 32-inch TCL Roku TV, which I stream all of our stuff on through an internet Wi-Fi hotspot that I bought. And that's going to be in a future DIY video coming up over the next few weeks. So you will get to see that. And I will be more thorough with that. We're getting about 16 or 17 megs download speed, so that's serving its purpose really well. Coco definitely wants to start barking on this video, but Maria's trying to contain him right now. So I just wanted to run my mouth a little bit about living down here in Florida for 3 weeks, and it's been really great. We've seen the Gulf, which I'll bring you along to some of the things that we see while we're down here. I did find work. So that's situated right now. We do all of our bills online, so that's easy. We don't have to wait for mail, although we do have mail forwarding going on. So that's working out really well. And definitely the exploration of Florida is coming. It's just taking us a little bit of time to get situated with our current situation. We have water and electric hookups here at the Florida house, and we are housed on the Gulf side, the west side of Florida, and so it's pretty warm other than the cold spell that we're going through right now. And I know all of you in Michigan are cringing at the cold spell being 55 when you're enduring negative 10 degree weather. So that's all I have for you. I've run my mouth enough. I thank you for coming back, and I'm sorry for the delay, but we always have a pause between seasons because, hey, I have a life outside of YouTube as well, as all of you do. So make sure you share our video, give us a big thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel if you just stopped by. We appreciate the support. We wouldn't be doing these videos if it weren't for all of you. So thanks a lot. We will see you next week.